The grief term I'll be sharing with you today is Grief Movement Guide. Grief Movement Guide is a trained facilitator who helps grievers process their emotions through safe physical movement, body practices, and breath work. It's helping you move grief out of your body through movement, breath, and sound. Taken from My Love Letters to the Grieving, You're Not Alone. If you're grieving today, I want you to know you matter. Your pain matters. The life of your loved one matters. You are not alone. Follow, like, and subscribe unstuck_worldwide. Save this video, come back to it later on, share it with a friend who needs it. God bless you. If you're in grief or know someone who is, here is a gentle resource for you to begin your healing journey today with My Love Letters to the Grieving, You Are Not Alone. To learn more, visit www.unstuckworldwide.com.